So we have potatoes, chopped garlic, and some carrots, tomatoes, and some mixed veggies, peas and carrots too. Ayan. Here's the beef. I marinated with garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, and ground black pepper. Ayan. So I put some 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, coconut oil right there, and I'm gonna put in the mixer. I'm gonna fry the meat, the beef too. We're gonna cook so yeah, I sit aside the meat, and then I have to put the garlic. And then put the tomato and put on the carrot. Put in the carrots. And then I will put it back this meat. Okay. And then we'll put the potato. Put soy sauce to season. Oyster sauce. And then we'll put the mixed vegetables.